Listen close to the story I tell. It's a rapping story of the living cell. It's a happy tune that's sort of cheery about a real tough topic called the cell theory. All animals, plants, and produce too are made of cells with different jobs too. They're the basic unit of all organisms, and I hope by now you've got the rhythm.
It all started with one dude named Hook, who at some quark cells took a look. He used a scope and took his time, cause the cell is small and thinner than a dime. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to learn some more? The animal cell has many parts. You must know each one by heart.
Like the farmer man in the dell, the nucleus controls the cell. It gives the orders kinda like a brain, and it's protected by a nuclear membrane. Around the cell, you'll find another skin. The cellular membrane pulls the whole cell in. But its job is simple, there's no doubt. It lets some particles go in and out. Now, please don't lose your science enthusiasm. Listen to the story of the cytoplasm. All around the cell, this thick fluid does go, but in the nucleus, it will not flow.
And don't forget those ribosomes. This is where the proteins come from. These protein factories are so small you'll agree. You need an electron microscope to see. Just when you thought you weren't having fun, along comes the endoplasmic reticulum. These tube-like structures serve as a track to carry stuff to the membrane and back.
Now have you ever seen a donut without a hole? In a cell they're called vacuoles. They're filled with stuff like H2O, and they carry food so the cell can grow. Last of all, but not the very least, mitochondria, mighty cellular beasts. They turn sugars into energy so well, we call them the powerhouse of the cell. Now my friend, you know it well, the unforgettable story of the living cell.